Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video, we are doing Jive Turkey by Outlaw Fireworks. This is a 25 shot, 500 gram cake where we have that 70s Jive Turkey on the cover. He's rocking his shades, he's got a fro, he has that 70s pop collar and his crystal on. We are ready to go for some disco. Now, this cake has no performance description. I know it's a 25 shot. Yay, that's it. But I'm going with the Jive Turkey and that 70s look, and look at those clogs that he's got on, man, like big old platform shoes. I'm hoping this cake is just big white glitter strobes like a disco ball. I really don't know anything about it. I flew out to meet up some friends from California. They wanted to go to Outlaw. He bought the cake. I was like, hey, do you mind if I kind of record that and put it up on the channel? Because I don't have any Outlaw on it. And that's what we're going to do. So, is Jive Turkey gonna be awesome? Is it gonna be talking that jive and we just don't want to put up with it anymore? I got no clue until we take this out to the shoot site up at Goldfields and get it up in the air. Taking the top off, we have a 5x5 grid for those 25 shots. We've got the cardboard spacers in here helping hold the tubes in. Nice clean cake. I think this is about a 1.2 inch bores, so we should get decent sized breaks out of this one. So let's take this one out, see if it is Jive talking to us, or this one makes sense and we're going to be doing it again. Thanks, everyone. Jive Turkey. Okay, that one was nice too.